This is the secret that YouTube doesn't want you to know. This strategy can take your channel from invisible to viral, even if you're starting from zero. You're grinding, hustling, putting in the work, but your YouTube channel just isn't taking off. You're posting videos, but it feels like you're talking to a brick wall. The views aren't coming, the subscribers aren't clicking, and you're starting to wonder if this whole YouTube thing is just a waste of time. You're not alone. Every single successful YouTuber from PewDiePie to MrBeast started exactly where you are right now. They were small, they were unknown, and they were fighting tooth and nail for every single view, but they didn't give up, and neither should you. Because the truth is, you don't need 1 million subscribers to go viral on YouTube. You don't need fancy equipment, a big budget, or a team of producers. What you need is a strategy, a plan, and the willingness to do what others won't. And that's exactly what I'm going to give you today. I'm going to share with you the 8-step method I used to blow up multiple YouTube channels. This isn't theory, this isn't guesswork. This is a proven step-by-step system that works no matter your niche, no matter your size. So let's start. Step 1, upload frequency. If you want to grow on YouTube, you need to be posting content consistently. And I don't mean once a month or even once a week. I mean 2-3 times a week minimum. I know it sounds like a lot, but here's the thing. The more you post, the more chances you have to be seen. Every video is a new opportunity to reach a new viewer to go viral. And the more you practice, the better you'll get. It's like going to the gym. The more you train, the stronger you become. But posting frequently isn't enough. You also need to have X factors, things that make your channel unique, memorable, irresistible. This is step 2. Maybe it's your personality, your humor, your storytelling ability. Maybe it's your editing style, your graphics, your music choices, whatever it is, lean into it. Double down on what makes you different, because on YouTube, different is better than better. Step 3, consistency. And I'm not just talking about your posting schedule, although that's important too. I'm talking about your brand, your style, your voice. When someone clicks on your video, they should know it's you within the first 5 seconds. They should feel like they're catching up with a friend, not watching a stranger. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds a loyal audience. But even the most consistent creators will struggle if they're in the wrong niche. That's step 4, niche selection. You might be tempted to make videos about everything to appeal to the widest possible audience, but on YouTube, niche is king. You need to find a specific topic, a specific audience, and serve them better than anyone else. Whether it's vintage video games, vegan cooking, or knitting for cats, go deep, not wide. Once you've found your niche, it's time for step 5, increasing session time. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube will promote them. It's that simple. So how do you keep people watching? With playlists, series, cliffhangers, and call to actions. Guide your viewers from one video to the next, creating a binge-worthy experience. But all the strategy in the world won't matter if your videos aren't good. That's step 6, creating great content. You need to educate, entertain, or inspire with every single video. You need to deliver value, whether it's a tutorial, a story, or a joke, and you need to do it in a way that's engaging, that keeps people hooked from the first second to the last. Of course, even the best video will struggle to get views if no one clicks on it. That's where step 7 comes in, eye-catching packaging. Your titles and thumbnails are like billboards on the YouTube highway. They need to grab attention, spark curiosity, and make an irresistible promise. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images. Make them think, make them feel, make them unable to resist clicking. And finally, step 8, the holy grail of YouTube growth, viral video ideas. To go viral, you need to create content that's not just good, but shareable. Content that people want to talk about, react to, and pass along to their friends. This could be a challenge, a prank, a surprising fact, or a heartwarming story. It could be riding the wave of a trending topic or starting a trend of your own. The key is to think outside the box, to do something that hasn't been done before. Now, I know this is a lot to take in, and I know it might seem overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out, but here's the thing, you don't have to do it all at once. You don't have to be perfect right out of the gate. The key is to start, to take action, and to keep improving with every single video. The only difference between a small channel and a viral sensation is the willingness to do the work day after day, video after video. It won't be easy. There will be ups and downs, doubts and setbacks, but if you stick with it, if you keep pushing, keep improving, keep delivering value, the results will come. Your views will grow, your subscribers will soar, and your impact will multiply.